In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an FTP account with restricted rights. You may want to do this if you're giving out FTP information to contractors or somebody that's doing some work for you. This way you can give them restricted access to certain directories. Okay, so to do that, what you want to do is go to the FTP manager in your cPanel. And then what you want to do is set up an FTP account. Okay, so go to FTP accounts. And then what you want to do is set up a new account. So just add FTP account. Okay, and then we can give a login. So we'll just say contract, whatever you want. We'll give it a password. Okay. The quota is unlimited. And then here is where you can give them access to a certain directory. So if you want them to upload to a certain directory and then you'll move it from there, this is how you can do it. So it'll automatically default to what the login information is, but you can change that. So if you wanted to give them access to a directory you already have, you can put the name of the directory in here. If you just put a slash in here, get rid of the contract out of there, he will have access to everything in your public HTML directory and below it. In other words, everything on your server. Okay, now I have a directory called test. So if I want to give them access to a directory called test, that's all I have to do. We'll click create. Okay, so now what we can do is we can access via FTP, and when we do that, we should see the contents of the test directory. So let's set up a FTP account using FileZilla. Let's open up FileZilla. Okay, so I'll just use the quick connect up here to connect up. So we'll put the domain name in here, and then in here we put the username. Now the username is contract at, and our domain name here. And then our password here. Okay, and there we go. So this is all that's in our directory right now, and that's all they can see. So they can work within the directory and move things up and down, but they don't have access to anywhere else on our server. So that's how you can set up a restricted FTP account so that you can restrict the access to other people.